Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week I am planning May 11th through the 17th in my Erin Condren planner, and I am using Scribble Prints Co.'s Pretty in Pink kit, and I paired that with gold foil this week. I accidentally deleted the footage of me showing off the kit as an intro, so it is just the planner theme that she came out with a couple weeks ago. It has the planner elements to it, as well as Starbucks and Harry Potter and Disney. It just incorporates a lot of usual planner girl elements into it. So I'm not sure if I said it, but I did use gold foil this week with it. I love the way the gold foil turned out. So I'm going in with the Simply Gilded washi. I do get my washi from Oso Washi on Etsy. She just sells the samples of it, and it's just a lot easier for me. I can't justify spending $9 on, or $5 to $9 on rolls of washi when I know I'll never use all of them. So this just works better for me. I am at my parents' house this week and next week, so I did pack my planner supplies, and I accidentally packed my pink 5mm washi with silver bows rather than the gold bows, so that was kind of a bummer, but it still turned out really good, and I still like the look of it. So if it bothers me a lot later on, I can definitely just take it up and put the gold washi down. That's not a big deal, but I think it looks good still. So next I'm laying down the Simply Gilded cheetah print washi at the bottom, the 15mm. And I love this washi. I think it's so pretty. It's that same light pink that I had put at the top, but then like just a shade darker. The pink foil is the cheetah print. And I just bought this washi because I thought it was so pretty, but I never thought I was going to be able to use it because I don't know, like I just don't think cheetah print, unfortunately, matches with a lot of kits. I love cheetah print. So I was really excited to use it when I figured out that it would work. And then, like I said, I did have to pack my planner supplies, and I accidentally forgot to bring a ruler. And my parents don't have a ruler, so I did do my bottom washi off screen, just because it was way easier to do it that way, because I didn't really have a straight edge, so it was kind of some finagling to get it to work correctly. And I also did my deco off camera as well, so it was just easier. I feel like deco was so involved to put on, and it was just too much to film. And I think I will continue to do my deco off screen just because it takes forever to do. That's my least favorite part of planning. But going into my sidebar, I did put down a full box that has the cloud planner and the pen and the washi tape. So pretty. And then I put a habit tracker after that to mark my water intake for the week, just to make sure I'm drinking enough water. And then another half cut header, and these are on the gold foil too, obviously. And then I put down a half box, and in there I'm gonna put that I was home for 2 weeks and I was just really excited about that. And then I never really utilize my sidebar to its full extent. I haven't found what works best for me in a sidebar. My boyfriend and I are moving into our first apartment in August, and I do have an idea for it then, but it's just not something to incorporate until we move into this apartment. So I'm excited to change it up in August, but I did change it up a little bit this week. I am on week 8 of self-quarantining, so I am just trying to do I put down a full box with Monday through Sunday, and to write something down just to get me out of the house just once every day, whether it be going for a walk or just running errands or just sitting out on the porch or something, just to get me out of the house, because I am starting to feel a little bit lazy and a little bit unmotivated. But so far it's worked out pretty well, so I think I'm going to do it next week as well. And then I put down a spending label with a 3-heart checklist box, and that's just to track my spending. So I only bought 2 things this week, so my goal was to only buy 3 things, and I only bought 2, so it's working out well so far. Moving on to Monday, I did have a dentist appointment at 8 a.m. So I put down a tooth sticker from Fox and Cactus. I love her tooth stickers. I think they're so cute. She has a bunch. like on a sheet, like she's like a tooth fairy looking one and like a happy one and then like the sad one. I did the sad one because I did have to get 2 cavities filled. So yeah, those are some of my favorite stickers. I think it's so weird that they're some of my favorite though. And then I came home and I played Animal Crossing, and that Switch sticker is from Coffee Monsters Co. and it is the colors. The camera doesn't really pick it up too well, but it's the colors of the Animal Crossing Switch that came out. And then I did FaceTime my boyfriend that day, and I used the little FaceTime munchkin just holding the pink phone. And I love those stickers. Those are another one of my all-time favorite ones. She was out of them for a little bit in the shop, and I was so sad. And then when they finally came back into stock, I stocked up on them because I didn't want to run out of them ever again. And then I went to Target. I had to get some nail stuff because I am doing my own nails right now, and my mom didn't have everything so I could do my nails. So I used Coffee Monsters emoji with the Target bags, and then a Target Run script from Scribble Prints Co. And then later that evening, I went over to my grandma's house to go visit her, and I had a game night with her and my cousin, and I marked that with the munchkins playing like Monopoly and then a Scribble Prints Co. script. So moving on to Tuesday, I slept in that day, and sleeping in for me is like 8:30, but I slept in. And that's from Coffee Monsters Co., that sleep in sticker. And then I wrote down that I had a lazy day. I literally did not do anything this day. So I put down a Fox and Cactus Girl in her pink pajamas, and it was just a lazy day. I literally did not do anything. So then I put down that I played Animal Crossing, and I marked that with a Plan and Stick Switch sticker. Those stickers are so cute, and they're super tiny, so you can still write Animal Crossing fully, which I like. And then I put down a full box, and I love that full box. I love the Starbucks cup. I think it's so pretty. I wish I had one that looked like that. And then I wrote that I had some planning time, and I used the Fox and Cactus Rainbow Girl, I think that's what they're called, or Pastel Girl. That came out from her anniversary sale. I don't remember if it was a sale, but anyway, I love those girls. I think they're so cute, and I want to go get some more because I think she still has them in shop with the pandemic going on. And I might go back and get some because I just want to use them in every spread, but I also want to save them because they were limited edition. So we'll see, but I love them. And then I went ahead and moved up the sleep in sticker because I wanted to mark in as well that I worked on my planner Instagram. And I marked that with a gold foil Instagram icon from Scribble Prints Co. I don't know what that's from. I'm sure you can get it on the icon sampler, but I found it on, I think it was the 75 plus freebie that you get from her. So yeah. Then Wednesday, I marked that I laid out with my mom that day. We do live in Florida, so we were able to tan on our back patio while the community pool in their neighborhood is closed. And it was so hot out that day, so I did mark it with a Fox and Cactus Girl just sitting by the fan because that's how I felt when we got back inside. And then I visited my grandma, so I marked that with a gold foil heart. And then I placed an order with Coffee Monsters Co. I just wanted to pick up a few things. I picked up some 4th of July and some moving stickers, so I marked that with a $sign icon. And then I played some Animal Crossing, and I marked that with an Isabel Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and she's so cute. I think she matches the spread so well, but she's super, super cute. And then I marked that I made a reservation for my mom's birthday that's next week, and so I use a little phone icon from Fox and Cactus as well. And then I marked that my mom and I had gotten an order in from Lily Pulitzer, and then my friend's 21st birthday party was that evening, and it was a Zoom party, and I marked it with the Galaxy Girls from Fox and Cactus. They were super cute and fancy, and I felt like she deserved that for her 21st. And then starting Thursday, that little blood drop icon is from Sweet Kawaii Design. And then I had to change my contacts that day because I put my contacts in and I couldn't see anymore. And so I went back and I checked to see the last time I changed my contacts, and I was like 3 weeks overdue. So I changed my contacts out so I could actually see. And that sticker is from Happy Daya, and I love her contact stickers. I think they're so cute, and it actually does keep me accountable for changing out my contacts. Then I put a half box with a little present gold foil icon from SPC to mark that I went over to my grandmother's house and set up her phone. She got her first iPhone for Mother's Day, so before that she had a flip phone, but we finally got her an iPhone, so I went and set it up for her and showed her how to use it. And then I put down a pool time script with a mermaid from Fox and Cactus to mark that I went tanning again with my mom. And then I put down a full box, and I love that full box. I think all those books are so cute. I'm a sucker for a beautiful bookshelf full of books, so I was really excited to use that one. And then I marked that I got ready with Banana Doodle Shop Girl, and my parents I went to Bonefish that night, and that was the first time I had really gotten ready in like probably a month. So I just really wanted to mark it. It made me feel really good, so I wanted to mark that I felt good that night. Then Friday morning I got up early and I washed my car before it got too hot outside, and that car icon is from Nicole Hutch Designs. And then I came in after that and I played some Animal Crossing, and I marked that with Fox and Cactus Girl. And then I put down a heart checklist that I cut down to 3, and I had to run some errands that day, so I just wanted to mark it that way. It was just easiest. And I still haven't written in where I went because I don't have a pen with me. I only brought my Sharpie felt tip, so I still haven't been able to write in because I don't have my regular pen that I write on paper with. So I then laid out with my mom again. We did tan for a little bit. It was a not so good day to tan. It was very overcast, so we were kind of just sitting in the shade for like an hour. And then I got a package from Amazon. It was actually a phone case for my grandmother's phone, so I marked that with a little Amazon munchkin. And then I went back to my grandma's house that night. She had some more questions about her phone, and my cousin came over as well, and I used the 2 Galaxy girls just talking and eating some chips. And Saturday I painted my nails, so I marked that with a nail polish icon, and I don't remember where I got that nail polish icon from, but I do know the shop is closed. I had gone to order some stuff from her again, and I wish I remember the name of it, but she is closed, unfortunately, so I do apologize about that. And then I did watch Fruits Basket, which is my favorite anime, and they rebooted it, so I was watching the new season, and I used a Happy Daya. This is her K-drama sheet, but I don't watch K-drama, but I do love anime, and I just cry the whole time I watch Fruits Basket because I love it so much. It makes me so nostalgic because that was the first anime I ever watched, and I just have a lot of love for it, so it was in my feelings that day. I was just upset over nothing, as usual. So I put in a SPC script and then the Foxy Cactus Girl, and then my family watched Scoob that night, the new Scooby-Doo movie. So it was super cute. I would definitely recommend watching it if you like Scooby-Doo. And then Sunday, my boyfriend came for the weekend. He was off Sunday and Monday, so he was here. So I marked that with a Munchkin couple sticker. And then I ever so lovingly dragged him to Home Goods because we had to get some stuff for our apartment. We're starting to really collect a lot of like decorations and, you know, all that stuff that you need when you move in somewhere. We have most of our like big stuff ready to go, but we just need like wall decor and just little knickknacks and stuff like that. Then we had a cookout that night, and I marked that with a Lexi Kylie design grill sticker. I've had this sheet forever, and I was so excited to finally be able to use it. I've literally had this sheet for years, and this is the first time I'm using a grill sticker, so it was a very momentous occasion. We also went to my grandma's that evening because my boyfriend wanted to see her, and then we watched Parks and Rec because he has never watched it. So yeah, this is the weekend full. I really liked the way that it turned out. I love all the pink, so yeah, you can't go wrong. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next week with my next plan with me. Bye!